Enagic is the gold standard in water ionization. Enagic is a Japanese company with the precision of Japanese engineering and quality control, with the mission to improve the lives of as many people as they can reach. Each Enagic machine is built to last a lifetime with proper care. Parts can be individually replaced or repaired if necessary, making these machines a lifetime investment and not a disposable appliance that needs to be replaced every 3 to 5 years. With repair facilities located in the U.S. and across the world, repairs are easily performed. Each Enagic machine is completely assembled by one technician from start to finish and backed by a complete 5-year warranty. On the SD501, other units have a 3-year warranty. Enagic has been in business for over 35 years and has numerous awards and certificates. One certificate to note is the one from the prestigious Geriatric Disease Prevention Association of Japan that endorses only one water ionizer company. That company is Enagic. This group consists of over 6,500 doctors who endorse and use Kangen water with their patients. It's important to note that these doctors are using the strong acidic and strong Kangen waters as part of many therapies, and most water ionizers are incapable of producing these special waters. Another certificate to point out is the International Earth Environment University Award, given to companies for their outstanding contribution in the area of natural conservation and eco-business. This is one of the greenest products on the market, doing away with the need for millions of plastic water bottles that clog our landfills and the toxic chemicals often used for household cleaning. One of the most important things to understand about water ionizers are the plates. Enagic uses solid titanium plates, individually cut to size and then coated in platinum. And the SD501 has 7 of the largest plates in the industry. The plates are important because these plates are then charged with electricity, becoming the engine of the ionizer. When the water passes over the plates, the minerals in the water are separated into 2 streams of water, one alkaline and one acidic. The more plate surface area and the more power you can apply to the plates, the better the separation and the better the quality of the ionized water. Some metals are better electrical conductors than others, and some hold up to the abuse of electrolysis. While some manufacturers use stainless steel or white gold because they are less expensive, the most reputable companies use titanium and platinum. Titanium is used because it is a very dense metal and is a great conductor of electricity. Platinum is a great durable conductor of electricity, and it's applied on top of the titanium to keep the titanium from breaking down in water during electrolysis. Enagic's SD501 water ionizer has the ability to utilize the highest wattage in the industry. Everyone knows that if you want a brighter light, you use a higher wattage light bulb. With ionizers, the higher the wattage, the more it impacts the water. Enagic also uses a transformer for their power supply. A transformer is the most stable, effective, and time-tested form of electrical regulator available on the market today. But Enagic machines don't overheat because of their precision engineering and technology. Most other machines don't use transformers because they cannot handle the heat generated. Enagic uses solid titanium platinum plates. Their research has shown that solid plates are the most stable and time-tested method for creating ionized water. They don't use the mesh plates used by some manufacturers because of the long-term problems mesh plates pose. Mesh plates seem to make sense to someone who is uninformed on the subject of water ionization because it creates more surface area to come in contact with the water. The drawback is, when metal expands and contracts as it is heated and cooled, the mesh plates tend to break down, thus reducing the ability of the plates to produce alkaline ionized water for more than a few minutes at a time. These cracks also expose titanium to the water, which then creates potential health problems. Mesh plates are a way for a manufacturer to save money in production while having nothing to do with increasing the quality of the water. The plates are the engine of this machine. Obviously, you can produce a smaller engine for less money than a more powerful one. Another important factor in ionizing water is the amount of time the water comes in contact with the plates. The longer the water is exposed to the electricity in the electrolysis chamber, the more it is changed, resulting in higher ORP and pH values. As an example, if you run the water through a machine with small plates very slowly, you will get a higher pH value of water than if it runs at a faster flow rate, such as you would do when filling your glass to drink. If it runs through very quickly, the pH will be much lower. It is therefore important when comparing machines to make certain the flow rates are equal in the comparison. Water pressures vary from area to area and day to day. Enagic engineers have handled this by allowing you to regulate the volume of water flowing through your machine to suit the local conditions and pressures. They can do this because of the ability of these larger plates and the amount of power running through them. A flow regulator does not improve water quality, but in reality simply compensates for an inferior design and allowing the water more time to come in contact with the plates. Simple pH tests should be conducted when you install your machine and on a periodic basis to help you evaluate the best water pressure for your machine. All Enagic machines can produce between 1.2 and 2 gallons of Kangen water per minute. The Enagic SD501 is found in some health practices and doctors' offices in the U.S. Dr. Dave Carpenter's office currently distributes 300 to 500 gallons of Kangen water with their SD501 per day to their patients. Enagic doesn't have any restrictions on the hardness of the source water, nor how much water you can give away to friends and family. Enagic ionizers make water with such unique and stable properties that they have trademarked it. When a doctor writes a prescription for Kangen water, it is for water made only by an Enagic ionizer. When doctors like Dr. 𝗂𝗄𝗏 Shinya and others talk about having their patients drink Kangen water, it is this unique water made only by an Enagic ionizer. No other manufacturer's machines make Kangen water, no matter what they claim. Enagic ionizers are self-cleaning, and in addition, they have a cleaning maintenance cartridge to address the mineral buildup on the plates that occur with use. This cleaning system is a patented system. This allows the machines to produce the highest quality of Kangen water available and is why Enagic is the gold standard when it comes to water ionizers. Enagic is the market leader. As such, they are leading the way and even forcing changes in the industry because of their high standards, superior technology, incredible warranty, and other industry-leading innovations. Currently, Enagic manufactures several different models of ionizers. These range in cost from $1,300 up to $6,000. The SD501 is designed to last for 15+ years with proper care and maintenance, and to be repaired if the time comes that a component wears out. These are not throwaway machines. Our president, Mr. Oshiro, wants this to be the only ionizer you have to buy in your lifetime. The SD501 is Enagic's flagship model. It is the best engineered water ionizer on the market designed for home use. It's also being used in many commercial settings because of its unique design and capacity. But Enagic's other models are equally well built and will perform just like a true little brother to their flagship model. After all, they are all designed and built to set the standard. Occasionally we hear from people who are seeing so-called negative information on the internet. A recent online survey revealed that it's the opinion of some people that the world is flat. Man has never landed on the moon. The tragedy of the Holocaust really never happened. Canada is planning on invading the USA. Drinking alkaline water is nonsense, and water ionizers don't work. Please keep in mind that although everyone has the right to an opinion, it doesn't necessarily mean that their opinion is true or even remotely resembling the truth. But it can be very convincing. Let's look at what Dr. 𝗂𝗏 has to say about ionizers and alkaline water. Dr. Ray Kurzweil was inducted in 2002 into the National Inventors Hall of Fame. He received the $500,000 Lemelson MIT Prize, the nation's largest award in invention and innovation. He received the 1999 National Medal of Technology, the nation's highest honor in technology, from President Clinton in a White House ceremony. He has also received scores of other national and international awards, including the 1994 Dickson Prize, Carnegie Mellon University's Top Science Prize, Engineer of the Year from Design News, Inventor of the Year from MIT, and the Grace Murray Hopper Award from the Association for Computing Machinery. He has received 12 honorary doctorates and honors from 3 U.S. presidents. Here is what Dr. Kurzweil had to say about alkaline water being nonsense and that water ionizers don't work. It is fairly simple to show that these statements are incorrect. Alkaline ionized water is very beneficial to one's health. There are more benefits to drinking alkaline ionized water than just the alkalinity or pH. The most important benefit of drinking alkaline water produced by an ionizer is the oxidation reduction potential. Water with a high negative ORP is of particular value in its ability to neutralize oxygen-free radicals. You've briefly heard what Dr. Kurzweil had to say, and you've heard what Dr. �m'Shiq Shan had to say earlier in the program. The question you should be asking yourself, if you still find yourself being somewhat skeptical, is, what if what we're telling you is true? Can you afford not to investigate further? What do you really have to lose by drinking the water? Drink the water and get your own answer. Change your water, and it just might change your life.